I'm Ray.
And I'm Katie Ring, and we're building Golden Gaze B&B, a sustainable, accessible, inclusive bed and breakfast set in picturesque Golden, BC.
Traveling as a queer Black chronically ill person has often been far from restorative, and I know I'm not alone. Being marginalized can be exhausting, and we deserve a rest.
Golden Gaze will be made with you in mind, a place for queer, racialized, trans, disabled, and other marginalized community members and allies to finally feel centered.
Golden Gaze will feature luxurious amenities, all perfectly designed to help you better connect to your body, heart, mind, and to the world around us, making us a distinctly unique bed and breakfast experience. Our adults-only B&B will be made of sustainable, energy-efficient eco-domes created by Green Magic Homes. Replenish your energy in our king-sized, adjustable beds within our cabins that are spacious, private, and full of character.
Enjoy the mountain view from your patio, wake up to local wildlife resting on the roof, and a sunrise you can't beat. And that's just our cabins. Steam in our saunas, swim in our private lake, take a canoe ride or skate in the winter, relax in our cannabis smoking lounge, and stretch in our yoga and meditation sanctuary.
Nourish your body with our hearty farm-to-table breakfasts and homemade treats, supplied from our garden, All Seasons Agro Tunnel, and other local producers.
Deepen your understanding of self and others, and nurture your relationships with on-site Enneagram coaching sessions with Katie.
And off-site, you will paraglide through the Rockies, have a picnic at Lake Louise, or take one of the many gorgeous hiking trails in the area.
Whether you come to celebrate your anniversary or for a personal growth retreat, we are committed to supporting your wellness and connection on every level.
Golden Gaze will not exist without your help. We've secured funds from friends and family, but it's going to take community support to see Golden Gaze truly come to life.
We know there are millions of y'all out there with the dream to see more sustainable, queer, Black, community-oriented businesses going forward in the future.
Your contribution will signal to the world that spaces like ours are wanted, needed, and should be invested in.
We appreciate your support. Whether you can only spare $1 or if you have the resources to pre-book your stay, check out our perks and see how you can contribute to Golden Gaze.
We only get to build Golden Gaze if we meet our funding goal, which is possible if we sell out of all of our pre-booked stays.
So share this campaign with someone who you know could really benefit from a vacation devoted to their wellness. Together, we can create a living paradise for community by community.
Thank you for your support, and see you next year.